Click to sign up for a free account. Sign up with your Google account or email. You will need to verify your WhatsApp number for signing up a new account. Select your account to continue. Click Talk with the ChatGPT assistant to create a quiz. Here are tips on how to use the AI to write your quiz. Click Go once you have written your topic. This is the starting message your users will send in WhatsApp to begin the quiz. Click Save. Add a logo to personalize your quiz. The quiz name and description is automatically generated from the ChatGPT assistant. Click Save to continue. The questions and answers are automatically generated from the topic you have written. You can add an image, video, audio or PDF file to every question. Click Add Question if you need. You can click and drag to reorder the questions. If there are no changes to the questions, click Continue. Enable WhatsApp notifications to track your quiz responses in WhatsApp. You can also personalize your quiz link. Click Save. Click to publish. You are now ready to share your quiz in WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp icon to share your quiz to your WhatsApp groups or contacts. Personalize your sharing message and click Share. Click to open WhatsApp. Select your WhatsApp chats and group chats to share the quiz. Click Next and you're done. Now let's see how the WhatsApp quiz works in your recipient's phone. Your user will receive your message with the quiz link. Click the link to begin. A new WhatsApp chat would open. The starting message and quiz code will be pre-filled. Click to send the message and code to start the quiz. Press OK to begin. Doing the quiz is as easy as replying to a message. Once done, press Submit to get your score. The score and all quiz responses will be recorded in the analytics.